The scores for the local high school basketball teams from games played last week are shown in the table below. And it says which data displays can be used to find the interquartile range for the scores of the teams. Well, I found this question to be a slight bit confusing because they give us the data, and because they give us the data, we can find the interquartile range. But as I've looked at the answer to this particular problem, what the answer is that it's going to be the box plot, which for sure, interquartile range, the IQR is one of the things that we've worked with. And then the dot plot, we can see all the scores. If we were just given the picture of the histogram, we could not figure out what the interquartile range is. So this one's going to be the box plot and the dot plot, which are options 2 and 3 on this one. Again, it's looking at it from the perspective that you didn't have that chart of data. Problem number 6 on my screen here, it says Mr. Evans is considering offering a second after-school tutoring session for his math students each week. He records the number of students who attend his current sessions each week. The results from the last 12 weeks are shown in the dot plot below. And which statement properly describes the data? And as we take a look at this, the way that it reads in the tutorial is that you kind of have a tail. So like we start here, so we kind of have a line here, and then we've got a cluster here. And the tail is towards the left, so this data is skewed left. It is a similar type of question on problem number 9 on my screen. Although we're given here the histogram, the heights of the players on a professional baseball team's roster are represented in the histogram below. Well, over here we kind of have the tail. We go here, and then we have our bigger cluster. And because our tail is towards the right, our data is skewed right. And then one more question that we can fit in on this video. It says Jane found the minimum, maximum, and first and third quartiles of a set of data in order to construct a box plot. What other piece of information is needed before she can complete her graph? Well, the other piece of data that she needs is the median.